of Houston saturated during the tax day floods. We remember neighbors using boats to get out of their Greenspoint area apartments as the waters continued to rise there. Tonight, a new drainage report is putting the focus on the problems in that area.
The study says it all comes down to one thing: infrastructure. Channel 2's Andy Sirota is live tonight in the Greenspoint area. Andy.
Hi, Keith. That study was commissioned by the North Houston District right after the tax day floods. Engineers discovered that major roadways like Greens Road desperately need to be renovated because the storm sewer lines are antiquated and they can't properly direct rainwater out of developed areas like this. In addition to upgrading those storm sewer lines, there is also talk of buying some of the apartment complexes in the neighborhood, demolishing them and turning them into flood detention ponds. Few can forget these heartbreaking images from April of last year. Some 2,000 ground floor apartments in the Greenspoint area flooded on tax day, displacing more than 5,000 residents, like Jalinda Strange. She lives at the Arbor Court Apartments on Greens Road.
It's been good so far.
To alleviate future flooding, engineers commissioned by the North Houston District to conduct a study came up with a series of recommendations. One includes buying some of the neighborhood apartment complexes and turning them into flood detention ponds.
Several of the owners have expressed an interest in selling. They realize that their apartment complexes are located deep in the floodway and are prone to flooding.
Residents would be moved into affordable housing. Federal flood relief money working its way from D.C. to the state and into our area would make it all possible.
That detention basin would then allow the storm sewer lines and the major roadways to be upgraded, and it would regulate the flow back into the bayou from those upgraded storm sewer lines.
Jalinda Strange says she's all for it. No one here, she says, wants to see a repeat of what they saw last April.
They better find us a new place to live.
And we were told that multiple affordable housing projects are in the works in this area. The North Houston District also telling us tonight that it should know sometime in July or August just how much money is available to the city of Houston. That, of course, will determine how this project moves forward. Live in the Greenspoint area tonight, Andy Sirota, KPRC, Channel 2 News.